In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate Google Docs documents with ease and efficiency. Translating documents can often seem daunting, but Google Docs offers a straightforward, built-in tool that makes the process incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're working on international collaboration, learning a new language, or just curious about translating your text, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's begin by opening the document you wish to translate. For this step, make sure you are using a computer, as the translation feature is not available on the mobile app. Once you have your Google Docs file open, take a moment to review your document to ensure it's ready for translation. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Translate Document. Go ahead and select that. This tool is the key to transforming your document into another language. It's tucked away under the Tools menu, so knowing where to find it is essential for your future translation tasks. After clicking on Translate Document, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. It's time to give your translated document a new name. Enter a distinctive title that will help you easily identify the translated version later. This step is particularly useful if you're working with multiple documents, as it keeps your files organized in Google Drive. Now, let's move on to selecting the target language for your translation. In the pop-up window, you'll notice a drop-down menu presenting a variety of language options. This is where you can choose the language you want your document to be translated into. Take your time to scroll through the comprehensive list until you find your desired language. With Google Docs supporting numerous languages, your document can reach a broad, global audience. Once you've chosen the target language, all that's left to do is hit the Translate button. With a single click, Google Docs starts working its magic, translating the text into the language you selected earlier. It's impressively quick and efficient, turning your document into a brand new language version within moments. A new tab will automatically open in your browser, showcasing the translated copy of your original document. This new version is instantly ready for review, editing, or sharing. Plus, Google Docs takes care of organizing your files by saving this translated document directly to your Google Drive, ensuring easy access anytime you need it. There you go. You've successfully translated a document in Google Docs. By following these steps, you've mastered a valuable skill that effortlessly opens up more opportunities for communication and understanding across different languages. Whether for work, study, or personal projects, you now have a reliable method to translate documents whenever you need it.